This is a demonstration running Prowarehouse using an iPad and using a scanner called the ScanFob 2002. The scanner is attached to the iPad using a Bluetooth pairing, so they're paired with each other. And then I'm using a remote desktop application called iTap to log in remotely to a terminal server running Fax and Prowarehouse. And so this is iTap. You can see here that I've selected the Prowarehouse server, and I'm just going to press the connect button. It's going to connect to that server, and it's going to run Prowarehouse. So this is the same screen that you would see on a scanner if running Prowarehouse using a Symbol or a Datalogix type scanner. Here it wants to know the user, password, and company to log in. I've actually got that printed out in barcode format on this page here. So you may have a card or something like this for the employee to use, and they could just scan into the application that way. So I'm going to scan in the user code, password, and the company, and I get my main menu for Prowarehouse. Now I'm going to process a pick ticket. I'm going to ship. So I'm going to choose application number 2 off the menu. And so I'm just using the keypad here on the iPad and hitting return, and it goes right in and wants to know the warehouse. I'll just return through that to accept the default. I have a pick ticket printed with a barcode of the pick ticket number at the top. I can do that using Unform. And so I'll scan that, and it will recognize the order number and pull up the first item to be picked here. So I'll go find, this is item I-101 that it wants me to pick. I actually have this item I-101 here. I've got a barcode of that on the product. I'll scan that. And unfortunately, I noticed that on my barcode, I just put in 101 instead of I-101. So because of that, I'm going to have to key that one in. Well, that's something that could actually happen. So this does give you the flexibility to be able to use the keypad and to key in an item number. I'll hit return. I'm sorry, I didn't key in the I-101. I-101. Return, and it wants to know the quantity. I'll go ahead and ship one of those, and then go on to the next. This is I-108. I do have I-108. I did actually key in the right number on the barcode, I believe, so I'll scan that one. It recognized I-108 and wants me to ship one of those. So I'll go ahead and ship one of those. Then I-100 is the next item that it wants me to ship. I do have that one. I'll scan it. It recognizes I-100. It wants me to ship 5 of those. And then the last item is I-105. I have that printed on this item here. Scan I-105, and it wants me to ship 5 of those. Okay, and I'm done. I can back up, go back to the main menu, choose another option off of this, and you can see that it operates pretty much as it does on a normal scanner. Thank you.